Welcome to the Hedgeman Group, guys. This is where leaders with vision are born. My name is Coach Keyon Corniffe. I'll be your host and educator for today. And today we want to talk about the importance of why we must help people with their dreams. And that's why you're here today. And today I'm going to share with you how we do so. But just before we get into that, let me just share a little bit about myself. Before entering the financial industry, I had to work 3 jobs from 3:45 in the morning to 11:30 at night just to provide for me and my family. You're now with 10 years of experience, have empowered many families, corporations, organizations with financial information. Making an impact with the intention that I want to create 1,000 millionaires before my 50th birthday. I want to leave a legacy, and that's what my intention to do here at HGI. This is a little bit of background about our founder, Hubert Humphrey. Leveraging his 30 years of skills, experience, and relationships. Hubert has pretty much strategically, designed HGI as a solution-based company to pretty much provide help and to help individuals and families to pretty much improve their lives throughout professional business opportunities that he's offered throughout these years. So just a little bit about HGI. One of the things I want you to realize that no matter what financial challenges clients may face, HGI pretty much has the experience and the resources to pretty much create successful financial plans. Our experienced licensed associates, we pretty much teach our clients about the circle of safety. These are some of the things that we focus on. So today I want to share with you our service. You're going to learn how to make more money. You're going to learn how to save money. You're going to learn how to grow money. You're going to learn how to protect your money. You're also going to learn about how our financial planning program, where first you're going to learn what's known as your FIN number, your final income number for your retirement. Second, you will learn about the budgeting plan. Third, you're going to learn about the financial foundation. And fourth, you're going to learn about the wealth formula. These are the 4 things you're going to learn here in our financial planning program. Also, you're going to learn at the HGI budgeting planning that you will learn the rules to budgeting. You will learn how to pay your bills. You'll learn how to save. And you'll learn how much you need to be spending when you follow the HGI budget planning. You will learn about the HGI Financial Foundation, where you're going to learn how to put together proper protection. You're going to learn about how to plan for death, health, and disability problems. You're going to learn about the debt management, how to use the debt roll-up concept. You're going to learn about emergency fund, how you could save 3 to 6 months of your income. You're also going to learn about saving and investing. You're going to learn about what's your tax and risk tolerance. You will also learn the wealth formula, how money plus time plus or minus rate of return minus inflation minus tax, and how that equal wealth for you and your family. You will learn about the private banking strategy, where you learn where to put your money where you can get growth with an uncapped. You'll also learn about safety, where you will have a 0% as a floor. Then you'll also learn about protection, so where you can get a lot of living benefits. And you'll also learn about tax advantages, where you get tax-free money upon distribution. So when the historians of the future look back on HGI, I want them to remember us as a company that came along at a pivotal time in the nation's history and literally caused a free enterprise system to bear the fruits of wealth and put it in the hands of many and not just a few. I want us to go down in history as a company that made a difference. That is a very famous quote by our founder and leader here, Hubert Humphrey. And guys, I want to tell you, it's time for you to join the crusade. Join our crusade and definitely get in touch with us so that way we could start empowering you. My name is Coach Keyon Corniffe, also known as Mr. Finance, your favorite financial educator and business coach. And I cannot wait to start empowering you. Always remember that you are one decision away from changing the future for the better. So always remember that the choice is always yours. Choose wisely, guys. Let's start building with you. I see you at the top.